Hi, and welcome back to the workshop. Today we're going to be talking just a little bit of detail about the Sonra Euro long throw lock, specifically designed for gates, garage doors. We've done some videos previously, but what I wanted to do is just a little video explaining how the cylinder is a little bit special in this long throw lock as opposed to any other lock that's on the market. So we said before, when you get these locks, they literally come with everything that you need to fit it. You've got templates to fit on the gate, instructions, drills, everything. I've done a video before about how to fit this lock, but what I'd like to do is a little bit of detail about the cylinder itself and what is special about it. So, we talk about Euro cylinders. This is a standard Euro cylinder. Most long throw locks for gates that's on the market use special cylinders. And it's very difficult for any locksmith to do anything with that. You know, you buy it, it is what it is. But if you wanted to do master key systems, or if you wanted to do key alike to your front door, then it's not possible. But with this, it is. This is a patented lock, and it is designed specially to use this standard cylinder. So a standard Euro cylinder has a cam drive, and that's the bit that drives all the locks inside your front door. So to fit this, very, very simply, inside here, you have got a small bag with some screws inside here. One of the screws is to secure the cylinder into the housing. The other screw is simply to secure it to the lock. So the first job is insert the cylinder into the housing, take the longer screw and fit it in this way and just secure it up nice and tight. Once this is tight, then it's just a case of inserting this into the lock. Put the key in. The reason why we put the key in when we're inserting this is that they call it the park position. If you look closely, this cam is slightly sticking out. When we insert this into the lock, we just need to pull it back into the down position. We do that by inserting the key and just turning a little bit. Once you've done that, take this, basically insert it into the lock, and from the back, you've got one screw there. And that's just simply tightened up. And that's it. And the lock's working. So for any locksmith working, you can see that you can buy these locks from us without the cylinder. And you can add any length of cylinder into there. So if you've got any customers or anything like that that want specifically a key to open the front door, a key to open the side gate, a key to open the back door, it's all the same key. You're carrying one key. You can do it with these locks. So I hope you found that video useful. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and you can check more details about the locks on the website www.fgproducts.co.uk. And I hope you found it useful. Thanks very much.